Using property of sets, prove that A union A intersection B is equal to A and A intersection A union B is equal to A. The first part, these problem we can solve by three ways. First way, taking left hand side A union A intersection B, apply the distributive law, we get A union A intersection A union B. A union A is equal to A intersection A union B. Since A is the subset of A union B, therefore A intersection A union B is equal to A. Second way, in the place of A you can write A intersection universal set union A intersection B. Now by distributive law we can write A intersection universal set union B. Universal set union B is equal to universal set, therefore A intersection universal set is equal to A. And the third case, let X belongs to A union A intersection B. That is the set of all X such that X belongs to A or X belongs to A intersection B. This is equal to set of all X such that X belongs to A or X belongs to A and X belongs to B. And this is equal to set of all X such that X belongs to A is equal to A. Okay. Now second thing, left hand side A intersection A union B. By distributive law this can be written as A intersection A union A intersection B. A intersection A is A union A intersection B. Okay. Now A intersection B is the subset of A. So therefore A union A intersection B is equal to A. And in the second case, A can be written as A union phi. When second bracket is in the form of union, we take A is A union phi. In the previous case, when second bracket is in A intersection B, then A write in terms of intersection. Okay, here A is equal to A intersection universal set. So here we write A is equal to A union phi. Phi is the identity for union. Okay, so A union phi is equal to A. Therefore we get A union phi intersection A union B. So by distributive law we can write A union phi intersection B. Phi intersection B is phi, therefore A union phi is equal to A. And third way, X belongs to A intersection A union B is equal to set of all X such that X belongs to A and X belongs to A union B. And this is equal to set of all X such that X belongs to A and X belongs to A or X belongs to B. And this is equal to set of all those element X such that X belongs to A, and this is equal to A. Okay.